I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, wear that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Cici Indriani with study number 39. I'm from group 2, class 2A, Prodi Keperawatan, Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya, wilayah Cirebon. Okay guys, did you know how to report a health problem and diagnosing to doctor or the college?
No!
Okay guys, so I will explain you about how to report health problem or diagnosing. Okay, check it out. Okay guys, the first material is about identifying health problem. Jadi materi ini mengenai contoh kalimat untuk kita sebagai perawat ketika sedang melakukan sebuah pengkajian atau menanyakan keadaan pasien. Oke, di sini ada beberapa contoh kalimatnya ya, seperti ini, dan masih banyak lagi. Oke guys, the next material is about expressing health problem. Jadi di sini kalimatnya itu digunakan untuk ketika kita sebagai pasien menjawab pertanyaan yang tadi diucapkan oleh perawat. Jadi intinya pasien itu mengatakan apa sih yang dirasakan oleh kita. Oke. Sebenarnya ada banyak ya contohnya. Yang pertama ada I have plus a part of the body plus ache. Okay. For the example, I have a headache. Okay. Number 2, we can use I have plus a sore plus a part of the body. Okay. For the example, I have a sore foot. Jadi untuk penggunaan kata sore ini tidak perlu diikuti dengan penggunaan kata ache lagi. Jadi I have a sore plus langsung foot, jadi tidak perlu ditambahkan dengan ache lagi. Okay guys, number 4, we can use I suffer from plus kinds of certain illness. Jadi di sini kita bisa menggunakan I suffer from. Suffer from ini digunakan ketika kita sedang menderita penyakit yang sudah terminal atau sudah parah. Jadi for the example, I suffer from cancer. Nah, jadi suffer from ini digunakan hanya untuk penyakit-penyakit tertentu saja yang tentunya sudah parah. Okay, next. Okay, number 5, we can use I sprain my possessive plus joints or bones problem. Jadi cara yang kelima ini dikhususkan untuk permasalahan sendi dan juga tulang. Okay, for the example, I sprained my ankle. I broke my leg. Okay, next. Okay, cara yang keenam, kita bisa menggunakan I cut plus my possessive part of the body. Jadi di sini ini I cut itu bukan berarti kita menggunting atau sengaja mematahkan gitu ya. Intinya mungkin bisa saya kebeler gitu kalau misalkan di bahasa Jawanya. Okay, for the example, I cut my finger. Okay, the next material is about expression diagnosing health problem. Okay, the first, this is ways to reporting. Jadi, ini merupakan contoh kalimat untuk melaporkan masalah atau keluhan dari pasien kepada dokter atau teman sejawat. Okay, for the example number 1, she or he complained about his or her part of the body plus a health problem. Okay, for the example, she has complained about her stomach. Jadi artinya dia tadi mengeluhkan tentang perutnya. Okay, the last, this material is about nursing diagnosing. Jadi ini merupakan cara untuk kita sebagai perawat ketika hendak menentukan diagnosa keperawatan dalam bahasa Inggris. Jadi untuk kalimatnya itu she or he may have blah 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 plus a disease or health problem. Okay? For the example, he might have hypertension. Okay, for the material is clear. Next, I have a roleplay video and I will show you roleplay video about reporting, asking health problem, and diagnosing. Okay, happy watching!
Good morning, nurse.
Good morning, Miss. Please sit down. Okay, Miss, how are you feeling today?
I have a sore stomach, nurse.
Okay, Miss, how long have you been feeling like this?
I have been feeling like this from yesterday.
Okay, do you have some ways to reduce the pain?
I have done warm compress, nurse.
Okay, Miss, can you explain the more detail of the sore stomach?
I feel a sore stomach in the lower right. It feels like warm around it.
Okay, Miss, when do you feel a sore stomach? Does it a long time?
I feel sore stomach when I have done exercise activity for a while.
Okay, Miss, if I give you a number scale from 1 to 10, number in scale.
I feel sore stomach in number 5.
Okay, Miss, first I will consult the doctor for find out the diagnosis and the intervention to give to you. Excuse me, Doc.
Yes, please. What the complaint?
Okay, Doc. The patient complained the lower of abdominal pain, feeling like being worked around, all during activities, duration of coming and going, and was on 5 scale.
Other symptoms?
No more, Doc.
Okay. Let her check condition.
That's only, Doc. Okay, for the impressions of the message, this semester, especially English course, is very extraordinary. Okay, because the teaching system is very different from the other. And I want to say thank you so much for Miss Wildan, because her passion when teaching really flow positive energy for all of us, so that we can all enjoy learning English with you. Thank you.